Sitting around the trophy truck. You may want to back up about 5 to 10.
Brad Cole here with Niner Bikes. Going to talk about our RIP9 RDO today. RIP9 RDO came out last year in July as our dedicated long travel trail bike slash enduro bike. It's 160, 170 front, 160 in the rear. Upping the ante here at Sea Otter, and we've partnered with Push Industries, and we're doing a special push edition of our RIP9 RDO. Moving forward, bikes are going to start shipping next week with a new Push Industry shock. It's a partnership that made a lot of sense for us, and one that's kind of been in the making for quite some time now. Push is just down the road from our office in Fort Collins. They're located in Loveland, Colorado, and we spend a lot of time riding bikes with those guys and work with them pretty closely on a handful of projects, and this is the first one to come to fruition. The shock is designed and dedicated and purpose-built for the RIP9 RDO. For more details on that, I'm going to turn it over to Darren Murphy from Push Industries.
Okay, so for us, this was a unique kind of challenge for us. Fortunately, we got to see this bike really early as a prototype and got a chance to ride it. Really dug the way the bike worked and what it had to offer. For us, we've always made 11.6 as a really customized rider to bike spec. And so with this application, the challenge was how can we build an 11.6 for an OEM application that has a really broad rider weight range, ability, and accommodate a lot of different spring rates. So we went back to the drawing board, kind of looked at things. We had already had the second generation Micro XD version of 11.6 in development, which had some changes which broadened its capabilities. With this shock, we took it a step further. We looked at the rebound range specifically, so we increased the low speed rebound adjustment range. So now the rebound adjuster from full open to full close gives us a much broader range, which therefore allows us to have a much broader range of springs available. Spent a lot of time working with the compression valves and the actual piston and valving to really come up with a package, again, that was optimized around the bike's kinematics. So what the bike's intended use was, mechanically how the shock was being actuated, and how we could come up with something where a good balance of compression damping, rebound damping, and external adjustment range that was customized to the bike, but allowed us a lot broader user base. And that's something that's really new about this product. And so again, big internal changes with the rebound damping, allowing us a broader spring rate range. And so with this bike, if you get the bike properly sprung for your rider weight, the damper spec combined with that just produces a very, very high performance ride.